program. Not only are we trying to empower 1, 2, 3 leaders, we actually want to empower the whole team to lead by collection. If we get more people involved in the leadership, that way we're not relying on our coaches or relying on 1 or 2 captains. So the leadership component is such a key factor here. And in the off season, that's when we begin our leadership program. Team leadership entails more than leading by example. That's very critical, and that's kind of our starting point. But we also lead by encouragement, lead by our honesty. But from a team standpoint, we want there to be support, not only from the co-captains, but from every teammate that we have. Leaders also follow as well. They're good listeners. They seek feedback from their teammates. And then finally, leaders do challenge. We need to expand upon our comfort zones on a daily basis, from a player to player, but also a team standpoint. After doing some quality team building, team brainstorming, establishing visions and standards in our off-season period, we don't just let the players leave once school is done. There's a lot of expectations that are placed on the USC volleyball players once they leave us and return home. Organized programs are established, not only speed and quickness, strength and conditioning, as well as expecting them to touch the ball as much as possible.